All right, so we're going to be doing a short video to show you how to extend the life of your Ariel Rider e-bike battery. Now this will apply to any Ariel Rider e-bike that you purchase, but we'll be working with the X-Class step-through today. So usually the most expensive part of an e-bike is its battery. So we want to make sure that we extend the life as long as possible by making sure your battery is healthy. And there's a couple steps that you can do to ensure that. So once you get your Ariel Rider e-bike, what you want to do is you want to assemble it and immediately put your battery on a charger. Now you want to leave it on the charger for 12 hours. Now even though your battery may show that it's fully charged, leave it on for 12 hours, but no longer than 12 hours. Take it off the charger, pop it on your bike, and go out for a ride. Now, no matter how long you ride or how far you ride, when you bring it inside, you want to pop it on the charger for another 12 hours. Now, after that's done, take it off, put it on the bike, and go out for another ride. Now, you want to do the same thing one more time. So basically, your first 3 charges will be 12-hour charges. And essentially, what that will do is make sure that the battery is fully healthy and fully balanced. So make sure your battery's healthy, follow those 3 12-hour charges, and you should be good to go. If you guys have any questions on this process, please let us know in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Until next time, peace out.